Good morning, Shana. I am Manish Pandey from LPM Public School. Today I am going to teach you remaining part of chapter number 20, sentences, kinds of phrases. So in my previous video I told you about adjective clause, and today I am going to tell you something about adverb clause. Adverb clause. Adverb clause, definition of adverb clause, a subordinate clause a subordinate clause that clause that functions as a verb modifying a verb and adjective and occasion. Now let me tell you adverb or definition of adverb clause. A subordinate clause that functions as an adverb modifying a verb, an adjective and another adverb. So this is the definition of adjective adverb clause. So let me give you some information, some knowledge about how to identify, how to differentiate between phrase and clause. Okay, what is the difference between adjective adverb phrase and adverb clause? Okay, so let's take example. The parrot speaks the parrot speaks at the sunrise. Here in this sentence, at the sunrise is adverb phrase because it does not contain any subject and predicate on its own. Here in this example, only group of words, and that is working as an adverb phrase. So because it is showing, it is modifying the meaning of verb speaks. That is why this is adverb phrase. Okay. Now, second example. The parrot speaks when the sun rises. So here in this example, as we know that adverb clause can begin with subordinating conjunction. So this is subordinating conjunction. This is subordinating conjunction, and when the sun rises, this is meaning of speech, and that is verb. And it contains subject and predicates on its own. So in this clause, the sun is subject, rises is predicate. So just we got one knowledge from this example, from these examples, that phrase does not contain any subject and predicate, whereas clause contains subject and predicate. So this example you can identify, you can differentiate between phrase and clause. And let me tell you one thing, that adverb clause will begin with subordinate conjunction. If you have learned subordinate conjunction by heart, you can easily identify adverb clause in a sentence. Okay, let me give you some more example. Let me write some more example on the blackboard, so that you can understand, you can identify in a very easy, in a very easy way to what is adverb clause. Okay. So actually, what adverb clause does in a sentence? Adverb clause shows time, place, reason, all these things. Okay. So it is very easy to identify adverb clause in a sentence. Example. Now, student, just identify where subordinate conjunction is used in this sentence. Which one is? Since? Yes, your answer is correct. Since is subordinating conjunction. So it means our adverb clause begins from here. Since we obtained, this is adverb clause. And it is modifying in the meaning of verb learning. Okay, so and it is showing what it is showing. It is showing time. Occasion, it is showing time. So adverb clause always shows time, place, reason, all these things. Okay. Now next example. Man could find only 10 beads as the beads had spilled all over. Man could find only 10 beads as the beads spilled on. So now, first of all, you have to identify what is subordinate conjunction. In this sentence, as is subordinate conjunction. So once you are able to identify subordinate conjunction, your adverb clause begins with subordinate conjunction. So now your adverb clause begins here, from here, as the beads spilled all over. This is adverb clause. And what it is showing? It is showing place. Okay, Shirin, and it contains, it is holding subject and predicate. It is not phrase, it is clause, and it is adverb clause because it is showing, the place. It is showing the place. Okay, that is why it is adverb clause. And it is subject and predicate. It has subject and predicate also. Okay, now next example. Next example, let me tell you. Do not drive if you are sleepy. Do not drive if you are sleepy. So first of all, just identify what is subordinate conjunction. If. This is subordinate conjunction and our adverb clause begins with if. So it means our adverb clause is from here to here. This is adverb clause. Okay, this is adverb clause. And this is do not drive, this is main clause. This is independent clause. And this is dependent clause. This clause is depending on main clause. Okay, student, are you getting me? And what this clause is showing? This is showing condition. This is showing condition. Okay. Next example. Although Meghna was slow to begin the race, although Meghna was slow to begin the race, she caught up later. She caught up later. So in this sentence, although Meghna was slow to begin the race, this is our adverb clause. Because adverb clause begins with subordinate conjunction although, and it is depending on, she caught up later on main clause. Okay, it is depending on main clause. So and it is showing condition. So student, today's video I tried my best to make you understand the difference between adverb phrase and adverb clause. I hope you got it everything what I told you in my video. So let me just that adverb clause will begin with subordinate conjunction, and it will be showing time, place, reason, condition, all these things through which you can identify that where is our adverb clause in a sentence. Tomorrow I will tell you something about noun clause. Till then, goodbye.